Looking to meet more people? Here's how to add friends on Tinder. Tinder does not have a direct add friends feature, but you can match with people or use the Tinder social feature if available. First, open the Tinder app. Here you can see many profiles recommended to you. To match with friends, swipe through profiles, and when you find someone you know, swipe right to like them. If they swipe right too, you will be matched. If you are not seeing your friend's profile, try checking their privacy settings or connecting your social media accounts. And that's it. You are all set to make connections. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.